Dear students, this is for PUC science students who appear for CET and JEE exams. I will try to give all useful problems and their solutions from each and every chapter. So please subscribe my channel so that you will get all my videos. Okay, it's very useful. Today I take problems from this chapter sets, relations and functions. I call it chapter 1. So please subscribe. PP Sir, Maths, Fun and Music. So I have written here two problems. How to find the solution for these two problems? First, read the problems. The first problem, if A is a set of all x such that mod x is less than 2, where x belongs to the set of integers, and R is a relation on the set A, which is the set of all ordered pairs x comma y such that y is equal to x square, where x and y belongs to the set A, then what is the elements of R? So first you have to understand what is the meaning of mod x less than 2. Mod x less than 2, mod x less than, see, m means minus m less than x less than m. If it is less than or equal to, then you have to write here less than or equal to. So mod x less than m, here m is equal to 2. So what is the meaning of mod x less than 2? That means it is minus 2 less than x less than 2. What's the meaning of this? This means the value of x lies between minus 2 and plus 2. That is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. But it's strictly less than. So I can't take minus 2, I can't take 2, and they are integers. I have to take only integers, so I can take the values of minus 1, 0 and 1. So the elements of A are minus 1, 0 and 1. Minus 1, 0 and 1. That's the meaning. Mod x less than 2. If it's mod x strictly less than 3, then it's minus 3, 3 like that. Okay, so mod x less than 2 means the value of x should lie between minus 2 and 2, but boundary points cannot be taken since it is strictly less than. If it is less than or equal to, then you have to take minus 2 and 2 also. Now it is strictly less than, so I can't take the boundary values. Now R is a relation. R is the set of all ordered pairs x, y. So that y is equal to x square. The second element is square of the first element. So if I take minus 1, I have to take x and y from A only. So if I take minus 1, if I take x is equal to minus 1, then what should be the value of y? Y is equal to x square, means minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is plus 1, correct? If I take 0, then 0 square is 0 only, correct? Then if I take 1, then what happens? 1 square. That's 1 square is 1. So these are the elements of R. R is a set of all ordered pairs. The ordered pairs are minus 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1. This is the solution for the first problem. So the only thing you have to understand what is the meaning of mod x less than 2. Now come to the second problem. That's very interesting. Here A is equal to the set of all 1 to A is a set containing 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, correct? And B is the set of all x so that x square is less than 4, so that x belongs to Z. Okay, what is the meaning of x square less than 4? That you should understand. X square less than 4 is same as mod x less than 2. You take the square root of this one, x square, write mod x, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2, not plus or minus 2, remember. Square root of 4 is 2. So x square is strictly less than 4 is equal to or equivalent to mod x is less than 2. These two statements are one and the same. Now, what is b? A is given, okay, 1, 2, 3. So what should be b? B is nothing but same as this one, that is minus 1, 0 and 1, because mod x less than 2, we already seen this problem. We know the values of x, it is minus 1, 0 and 1, correct? You already done that part. Now, what is R? R is a set of all ordered pairs such that y is equal to x minus 1. Y is equal to x minus 1 means I have to take x from A. Remember, I have to take x from A. Here x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That is the meaning. So that should be given there. Okay, x belongs to A and y should be in B. So now I take x belongs to A means I take, if I take 1, if I take x is equal to 1, if I take x is equal to 1, then what is y? Y is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. That is 0. 0 is there? Okay, it is there. 0 is there. Then you take 2. You have to take x from this and y from this. The relation is y is equal to x minus 1. If I take 2, x is equal to 2, then what is y? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Whether 1 is there? Yes, it is there. If you take 3 now, if you take 3, this is interesting now. If you take 3, then what is y? Y is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2, but 2 is not in B. That y should be in B. So I can't take this element. I can't take this element. So what is in R? R is nothing but only this much. 1, 0 and 2, 1. Correct? So what is R inverse? R inverse means you simply interchange x and y. This is domain and this is a range. So you simply interchange. So you get 0, 1 and you get 1, 2. This is R inverse. But what is asked? Domain of R inverse. So domain of R inverse means you have to take the first elements. First element, it is a set. So it is 0 and 1. It is a set, remember. I take the first element. So it is 0 and 1. Domain of R inverse is a set containing two elements, 0 and 1. This is the answer. If you are not understood, or if you want some more problems to solve, please write in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel so that you will get all the videos. Thank you.